Reading is one of the strategies to improve your vocabulary and pronunciation in Nigerian Pidgin English. As you listen to the text being read, take note of the underlined words and expressions. They will be pronounced and explained in the glossary at the end of the text. Should you come across any additional words or expression that you don't understand and they are not explained, put them in the comment section for further clarification.
Introducing myself. My name na Charlie. I come from Ghana. I be 34 years old and I dey live for Accra. I no get work yet, but I dey hustle to get one soon. I never marry because I need to dey okay financially before I settle down. Eyes dey red. Even my landlord no gree understand say I still dey look for job. Na so e dey hala me for im house rent. I tell am say make e give me some time because very soon e go better. E tell me say I just dey whine am every time. Na e go better im go chop. E give me next month to pay or pack out of im house. Man no die, man no rot ten. The struggle continues. Eyes dey red. Job. Very soon e go better. To whine someone. E go better im go chop.